This is the Woodford faucet lock. It does fit the model 17, the model 19, the 22, 22V, and the model 30. So on the front of the package here, it'll come with a list of the parts that the package will include, as well as a little assembly breakdown right there as well. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. Okay. So it will come with this T handle here, which is full metal, as well as the lock for the faucet itself. This is like a plastic body, and then the interior is full metal. And then it'll come with these two keys. So a key and a spare. And the way that'll go, just see right down in there and either lock or unlock. And we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements of each piece here. We'll start with the lock, and we'll measure from the bottom of these threads here to the end. You'll see that complete measurement ends right at about 2 inches. And then we'll also get an outer diameter here at the bottom. That measures just shy of 1 inch. And then we'll get a diameter here of where these keys will insert as well. And that measures right at 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and then we can also go ahead and measure the T handle as well. We'll get a total length and then measure down here at the splines. So starting with the total length, the key measures right at 3¼ inches. And then the outer diameter here at the splines measures right just above 1/2 inch. And once again, this is the Woodford faucet lock.